In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom WordPress theme using ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get right into it. Creating a custom WordPress theme, especially with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT, can be an incredibly rewarding project. Imagine having a theme that perfectly fits your vision and meets all your requirements. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT and prepare a clear, detailed prompt. Trust me, this is one of the most critical parts of the process. The quality of your result hinges on how specific your requests are. For this example, we want ChatGPT to act as if it's an expert WordPress theme developer. You're essentially asking it to generate a fully custom theme from the ground up. It's important to explain exactly what you want in your prompt. You might want to say something like, I need a responsive, SEO-friendly, and performance-optimized WordPress theme built using PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, adhering to WordPress best practices. That might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. You'll soon see how everything fits together. Next, you want to ensure that your prompt includes all of the necessary theme files. This is where specifics become really valuable. Make sure to mention that you need files like style.css, functions.php, index.php, header.php, footer.php, single.php, page.php, archive.php, sidebar.php, comments.php, 404.php, search.php, frontpage.php, frontpage.php, and screenshot.png. It might sound like a lot, but think of it as laying the groundwork for what your theme will ultimately look like. Moreover, it's also a good idea to specify the features you want the theme to have. You want to ensure you ask for custom menus, widget areas, customizer settings for easy changes later on, support for featured images, Gutenberg compatibility for easy editing, accessibility improvements to make sure everyone can use your site, and schema markup to improve how search engines understand your content. Don't forget to stress that the theme needs to be mobile-friendly, secure, lightweight, and compatible with the latest version of WordPress. By being comprehensive with your requirements, you're helping ChatGPT understand your expectations and ensuring that you get a more targeted output. After all, instead of asking for just any generic theme, you're defining specific structures, performance goals, and modern features that you want to see included in your theme. Once you have your prompt drafted, take a moment to review it thoroughly. Make sure that everything sounds clear, that all of the required files and features are listed, and that the goal of your theme is explicitly stated. This step is all about reducing the chances of missing pieces in your design. A well-crafted prompt will give you a more substantial starting point for your custom theme project. Now, when you're satisfied with your prompt, go ahead and click Submit. ChatGPT will start generating the requested theme content based on your instructions. Depending on the complexity and the detail of your prompt, it might take a short moment for the response to come through. When that happens, you'll typically receive a formatted collection of code, file structures, and implementation details that can serve as the foundation for your WordPress theme. That is the core of the setup process right there. The key takeaway from today's lesson is that creating a strong prompt is what drives a strong result. If you're aiming for a custom WordPress theme that both looks professional and adheres to best practices, it really pays off to be as detailed and specific as you can from the get-go. You'll not only save yourself time later on, but also end up with a theme that's tailored precisely to your needs. And that's it for today. So go ahead and try this out, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.